Did you know there's a tropical plant hiding extraordinary health benefits that could transform your well-being? Meet Soursop, a humble fruit tree with leaves so powerful they've been cherished in traditional medicine for centuries. But what's even more exciting? Modern science is catching up, uncovering how this natural wonder can support your health in ways you never imagined. We're taking you on a fascinating journey into 7 scientifically backed health benefits of Soursop leaf tea. Whether you're looking for ways to boost your immunity, improve sleep, or even tap into its potential for fighting inflammation, this might just be the nature-powered solution you've been searching for. Imagine a soothing cup of tea that not only warms your soul, but works wonders for your body. That's the magic of Soursop leaf tea. Stick around as we reveal how this incredible plant can elevate your health naturally, one sip at a time. Soursop, also known as Annona muricata, is a tropical plant native to the Caribbean, Central America, and South America. For generations, it has been a key part of traditional medicine, offering more than just its delicious fruit. The real treasure lies in its leaves, which are rich in natural compounds that can benefit your health in remarkable ways. These leaves are packed with acetogenins, which are believed to have anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory properties. They also contain flavonoids, powerful antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage, as well as alkaloids, natural compounds that may support a variety of health functions. Additionally, Soursop leaves are a good source of vitamins, particularly vitamin C and B-complex vitamins, which are essential for overall health. They also provide important minerals like potassium, calcium, and magnesium, which help maintain balance in the body. With this incredible combination of nutrients and bioactive compounds, Soursop leaf tea isn't just a comforting drink. It's a natural remedy with the potential to support your well-being in meaningful ways. Let's explore how this amazing plant can make a difference in your life. Firstly, your immune system is your body's natural defense, and Soursop leaf tea may be a powerful way to support its function. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, it helps strengthen your body's ability to fight off harmful invaders. Vitamin C is especially important because it stimulates the production of white blood cells, enhances the body's ability to combat harmful pathogens, and supports the skin's natural protective barriers. Research has even shown that regular vitamin C intake can help reduce the duration and severity of common infections. The tea also contains quercetin, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory effects. Quercetin protects immune cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and may even help slow down the replication of certain viruses. Together, these components make Soursop leaf tea a great addition to a healthy lifestyle. While it's not a substitute for medical treatments, sipping on this nutrient-rich tea regularly could give your immune system an extra boost, helping you stay healthy and fend off seasonal illnesses more effectively. Now, managing blood sugar levels is a growing concern for many, especially with the rise in conditions like diabetes. Soursop leaf tea shows promise as a natural way to support metabolic health alongside traditional treatments. Research has uncovered how compounds in Soursop leaves interact with the body's metabolic processes. For instance, annonacin may help improve insulin sensitivity by enhancing how well cells respond to insulin, allowing them to take in glucose more effectively. The tea's flavonoids, including quercetin, might also protect the beta cells in the pancreas that produce insulin, shielding them from damage caused by oxidative stress. Additionally, Soursop leaf tea may play a role in regulating glucose metabolism. By potentially slowing down the absorption of carbohydrates, it could help prevent the rapid spikes in blood sugar that are common after meals. Next is your liver, which plays a crucial role in keeping your body healthy by processing nutrients and filtering out toxins. Soursop leaf tea has shown potential as a natural way to support this vital organ's detoxifying abilities, thanks to its liver protective properties. Research has found that the antioxidants in soursop leaves can reduce oxidative stress by neutralizing harmful free radicals, protecting liver cells from damage. The tea also has anti-inflammatory properties that may help reduce chronic inflammation, which can otherwise harm liver function and overall cell integrity. Additionally, it appears to support liver enzymes, making the detox process more efficient. While soursop leaf tea can be a valuable ally for liver health, it works best when paired with a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, staying active, limiting alcohol, and managing stress are all essential steps in maintaining a healthy liver. By integrating soursop leaf tea into your routine, you can provide your liver with extra support for its important work. Another issue we face is chronic inflammation, which is at the heart of many health issues, from arthritis to heart disease. Soursop leaf tea contains compounds that may naturally help manage inflammation and support your body's healing processes. Studies suggest soursop can reduce the production of inflammatory chemicals in the body, calming systemic inflammation. Its unique compounds, called acetogenins, appear to disrupt the pathways that trigger chronic inflammation, potentially offering relief for conditions like arthritis and inflammation caused by intense physical activity. Drinking soursop leaf tea regularly may not only help with managing joint pain or exercise recovery, but also support overall cellular health. However, it's not a cure-all. Adding this tea to your daily routine could be a gentle, natural way to keep inflammation in check and promote long-term wellness. Heart health is a major concern worldwide, with cardiovascular diseases being a leading cause of illness. Soursop leaf tea offers a natural way to support your heart, complementing other healthy lifestyle choices. Research shows that compounds in soursop, like annonacin, may help relax and widen blood vessels, promoting healthy blood pressure levels. The tea might also assist in managing cholesterol by potentially lowering LDL, or bad cholesterol, and improving your overall lipid profile. Additionally, soursop supports the health of your blood vessels' inner lining, encouraging smooth blood flow and better circulation. Sure, soursop leaf tea shows promise for cardiovascular wellness, but it works best alongside regular exercise, a nutrient-rich diet, stress management, and routine checkups with your doctor. By incorporating this tea into your daily habits, you can give your heart a gentle, natural boost. In today's fast-paced world, finding natural ways to manage stress and improve sleep is more important than ever. Soursop leaf tea may offer a gentle, plant-based solution to support your mental well-being and rest. Research suggests that soursop leaves contain tryptophan, a key building block for serotonin and melatonin, the hormones responsible for regulating mood and sleep cycles. By helping your body produce these hormones, the tea may promote better sleep and a more balanced mood. Additionally, soursop has shown potential for lowering cortisol, the stress hormone, which can lead to a greater sense of calm and relaxation. Adding soursop leaf tea to your evening routine, perhaps alongside meditation or gentle yoga, can help you unwind and prepare for restful sleep. Paired with consistent sleep schedules, this natural remedy might be just what you need to find balance in a stressful world. Now, every day, our cells face damage from free radicals, unstable molecules that accelerate aging and increase the risk of various diseases. Soursop leaf tea is packed with antioxidants that can help combat these harmful effects, protecting your cells and promoting long-term health. Antioxidants in Soursop work by neutralizing free radicals, preventing damage to your cells, and preserving the integrity of your DNA. This protective effect may also slow down the aging process, keeping your body functioning optimally for longer. Over time, regular consumption of Soursop leaf tea could help reduce signs of aging, improve skin health, and support better metabolic function. It's more than just a soothing drink. It's a simple, natural way to boost your body's defenses and promote cellular wellness. Soursop leaf tea offers many potential benefits, but it's important to enjoy it responsibly to ensure safety and effectiveness. Before adding Soursop leaf tea to your routine, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications, it's essential to speak with a healthcare provider. They can help determine if this natural remedy aligns with your health needs. Always source your Soursop leaves from reputable organic suppliers to avoid contaminants. Proper drying and storage ensure the leaves retain their beneficial properties. Begin with small quantities of tea to see how your body reacts. Everyone's system is different, and moderation is key to reaping the benefits without overdoing it. To prepare, steep 3 to 5 Soursop leaves in hot water for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain and enjoy the tea warm or cool, optionally adding a touch of honey for flavor. Drink 1 cup daily to start, and adjust as needed based on your preferences and body's response. With these simple guidelines, you can safely incorporate Soursop leaf tea into your wellness routine and enjoy its natural benefits. To prepare the perfect cup of Soursop leaf tea, begin by boiling filtered water in a pot until it reaches a rolling boil. Once the water is ready, add 10 to 15 dried Soursop leaves directly into the pot. Lower the heat and let the leaves steep gently for 20 to 30 minutes, allowing the beneficial compounds to fully infuse into the water. When the steeping is complete, carefully strain the tea to remove the leaves. Let it cool slightly before drinking to enhance the flavor and ensure it's at a comfortable temperature. If you prefer, you can add a touch of honey or a squeeze of lemon to complement the tea's natural taste. With this simple method, you'll have a soothing and healthful cup of Soursop leaf tea to enjoy. Have you ever tried Soursop tea? Tell us your experiences and how you like to enjoy it. Soursop leaf tea represents more than a beverage. It's a testament to nature's incredible healing potential. By bridging traditional wisdom with modern scientific research, we unlock new perspectives on holistic health. Remember, no single remedy is a magic solution. True wellness emerges from a balanced approach. Nutrition, exercise, mental health, and a curious, proactive attitude towards understanding our body's intricate systems. Your journey with Soursop leaf tea is an invitation to explore, to listen to your body, and to embrace the subtle, powerful ways nature supports our health. Before you go, YouTube thinks you will like the video currently showing on screen, so check it out and let us know what you think. Stay safe, stay healthy.